Hey guys! The book that I'm going to read today is called Each Orange Has 8 Slices, and this is a counting book by Paul Giganti Jr., and the pictures are by Donald Cruz. So, initially when I saw this book, I thought, this has fake pictures. It must be fiction, right? But then I started reading the words, and this is actually a math problem book. So it shows you pictures and then it asks you math questions. So while I'm reading, see if you can solve the problems. On my way to the playground, I saw 3 red flowers. Each red flower had 6 pretty petals. Each petal had 2 tiny black bugs. How many red flowers were there? How many petals were there? 6 on each. And how many tiny black bugs are there in all? Count by twos. On my way to school, I saw 3 little kids. Each kid rode a tricycle. Each tricycle had 3 wheels. How many little kids are there? How many tricycles are there? How many wheels are there in all? Count them. On my way to the zoo, I saw 3 waddling ducks. Each duck had 4 babies trailing behind. Each duck said quack, quack, quack. How many ducks are there? The big ones. 3. How many baby ducks are there? Each one has. How many quacks were there in all? Oh my gosh. Can you count all the quacks? If each of them has 3 quacks, ooh, that's a lot. This is a big number. Have to do some math. On my way to Grandma's house, I saw 2 fat cows. Each cow had 2 calves. Each calf had 4 skinny legs. How many fat cows are there? 2 big ones. How many calves were there? Those are the baby ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many legs are there in all? Each one has 4. Go ahead and count. How many legs do you see? On my way to the circus, I saw 2 colorful clowns. Each clown was holding 1 bunch of balloons in each hand. Each bunch had 5 bright balloons. How many colorful clowns are there? How many bunches of balloons are there? There's 2 bunches. How many bright balloons are there in all? Well, this is a doubles. This group plus this group. It's a doubles problem. On my way to the freeway, I saw 4 huge trucks. Each truck had 2 long trailers. Each trailer had 4 giant letters that spelled Acme, A-C-M-E. How many trucks are there? 4. How many long trailers are there? And how many giant letters are there in all? Oh my gosh, how many letters are there? This is a lot. I'd have to be doing some multiplication or adding. You're really solving this. There's a lot of mental math in this book. On my way to lunch, I ate 2 juicy oranges. Each orange had 8 slices. Each slice had 2 small seeds. How many juicy oranges are there? Well, there's 2 whole oranges. How many slices are there, though? 8 plus 8. How many seeds are there in all? Count all the seeds. Count by twos. On my way to the store, I saw 4 trees. Each tree had 3 birds' nests. Each bird's nest had 2 spotted eggs. How many trees are there? 4 trees. How many birds' nests are there? 3, 3, 3, 3. How many spotted eggs are there in all? Count by twos. On my way to my friend's house, I bought 3 bags of gumballs. Each bag had 3 small boxes inside. Each box contained 6 gumballs. How many bags of gumballs are there? There's 3 baggies. How many small boxes are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many gumballs were there in all? Oh my gosh, this is a lot. Because it's 6 plus 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 6. Can you solve that? This is like 3rd and 4th grade math, guys. On my way home, I passed 3 yellow houses. Each yellow house had 3 red flower pots. Each flower pot had 5 blue flowers. How many yellow houses are there? 3. How many red flower pots are there? 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many blue flowers are there in all? This one you can count by 5s. Before my bedtime, I read 2 books. Each book had 10 big pages. Each page had 1 pretty picture. How many books were there? How many big pages were there? Ooh, 10 and 10. How many pretty pictures were in there? On the last page of the last book, I found this poem. As I was going to St. Ives, I met a man with 7 wives. Every wife had 7 sacks. Every sack had 7 cats. Every cat had 7 kittens. Kittens, cats, sacks, and wives. How many were going to St. Ives? Ooh, it's like a riddle. Lots of 7s. Each one had 7. So go ahead and see if you love riddles or math. See if you can solve that problem, you guys. But I would say this book is kind of real information, but it's not really a story. I don't know. It's kind of just a math book. But everything it's saying about the groups and counting is true, and it does ask you questions. So I don't know if I would classify this as fiction or nonfiction. It's just kind of a math book. But I hope you guys like it and you continue to do math even when you're reading. Bye!